What's in this bag might not surprise you, but why it's in there definitely will. They gotta stop child-proofing these trash bag knots. I swear if something flies out of this bag, I'm done. Alright, it's looking okay so far. Now that we know what was in the bag, let me show you why. Let's go ahead and we'll remove this back cap. If you're squeamish, swipe now. You know what really bugs me? Bugs. They're creepy, they're crawly, they're gross, and they have infested this mixer. You can see all of the carcasses and the body pieces. Look at all that. Freaking ew, it's literally everywhere. And let me just say, I am not shitting you when I tell you that all of this black coffee ground looking stuff is bug poop. Alright, let's take it apart and see what other horrors wait inside. Gotta remove this beauty band. Oh, that's annoying. It was missing a foot. We're gonna put a sacrificial one in here for now to fix that rock. They're gonna get replaced. Look at those dirty suckers. Ooh, look at that. The original manufacturer's label. It looks like a Walmart tag. Look, 4/30 of 1998. This band is gummed into place. Look at how absolutely filthy this thing is. Oh, don't worry, baby. I won't let them throw you away. Ugh. Preemptively start by just removing this rear gasket because it's absolutely nasty. Ugh. Moving right along, drip ring. We tap that down here, it should just slide off now. I'm convinced everything on this mixer is just gonna be crusty. What's my favorite type of cheese, you ask? Fromunda cheese. Before we go any further, we should test run this machine. It sounds worse than it looks. Which is fully expected, we'll fix it. Let's punch out this pin. Which in theory should allow us to remove this planetary. Of course, it's disgusting. We knew it was gonna happen. Let's remove all these body screws. So it's definitely not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That is all bug poop, and if we get in here, sorry, I was pretending to play Operation. Well, anyways, there is definitely some bug carcass in there. And because it's a sanitary issue, we're gonna have to deep clean and decontaminate all of that. Look at that lump of grease. So we're gonna remove this pin right here, and then we're just gonna tug on this shaft. Sometimes giving it a good tug doesn't work, and you got to beat it. And once it's out, you can remove the gears. And we're just gonna work to get those cleaned up. I'm removing all of these components. These really just need to be thrown away. Like I said, they're just contaminated. And we're just gonna tear this thing all the way down because, well, it really needs to have a good scrubbing. Now, I've been working to scrub and then get down into these oh, no! Nope, burn it. That is a whole ass bug. If you didn't know any better, you'd think this thing is brand new. Look, sparkling. All right, we gotta tear out and rebuild all of this. And not just because of this nasty mess of bugs, mostly because these nuts right here are pretty loose, allowing this whole rear end to just shift around like crazy. Which has definitely damaged the motor because the only 2 points of contact are here in this bearing bracket. By the way, that nut missing, nowhere to be found. Speaking of bearing bracket, let's get that removed. Oh, the horror. It looks like a murder scene. Now that motor, the only other place it's mounted is right here at the bearing. And if we take a punch and we punch that out of there, we're gonna find that this bearing has a ton of play. Look at all that movement. Especially in comparison to a new one, which actually has 0 movement. Take a look at that. And because of that movement, this motor was never gonna sound good. But motor aside, it's apparent that all of this needed to be pulled out and replaced. I mean, even this has bug poop all over it. But that's okay, I literally replaced everything in this machine. It's really starting to shape up. Just when a fella thinks he's getting close, you see this filth. I mean, listen to this. It's literally crust. I am Bush. That was a lot of work. This rag was white when I started. It took me 3 days. I now have tennis elbow from scrubbing, but this thing is rocking right along. Take a listen to that. This thing is not only looking, but it's sounding brand new. And now I'm going to go shower and go to therapy because, well, this was a very traumatic experience. We'll see you next time.